All right, guys. So welcome to MG Sports TV. My name is Shavon again. We're here with a fabulous fan here. See the smile. I'm pretty sure it's not the result that made you have that smile tonight. But may I have your thoughts for the game tonight?
Sure. Hi, everybody. My name is Simone, and I'm here with Rocco. Say hi, Rocco.
Hi.
The game was fabulous. Haiti really put on a performance tonight. They came out. They definitely put on. They were aggressive in terms of showing up other players. I mean, Bailey. He definitely had his work cut out for him. So, Rocco, let's hear your thoughts on how Jamaica played.
So Jamaica played good, but on their counters they weren't taking their chances, although they still scored the penalty and Gray scored the inside. So that's my thoughts of the game.
All right, and did you get something?
Yes.
Show me what you got.
I got Whispered Singers.
From who? Who gave you them?
Whisper, and I got a signing from Andre Blake.
Fantastic. All right, guys, stay tuned to MG Sports. We'll see you soon. Next game. Big up.